So I've just restarted my Mac, and what you could see here now, directly after the restart, again, the operating system window pops up and is asking the Wacom I/O Manager element to take control of your Wacom pen. And again, don't click on deny here. Please go to Open System Preferences. And in Security and Privacy, you will see you are directly in the Accessibility tab we have seen previously. And now we can see that the Wacom I/O Manager is part of this list. However, we also see that the checkbox is not active. So we have to do this as a final step. First of all, click again on the lock, enter credentials, and then just tick the checkbox and enable the com.wacom I/O Manager. Click on the lock again, close that window, and we are finally done. So basically, to make sure that it really works as expected, have a last final restart, and then your Wacom tablet driver and the Wacom tablet should work as expected. Thanks for watching.